Am I dreaming? Are you reading a book?
Yes, don't act so surprised. For your information, I do read books sometimes.
What are you reading?
The Sorceress.
The Sorceress.
Yes, it's a fantasy book. This one is the third volume of a series called The Secrets of the Immortal Nicholas Flamel.
And is it good?
Yeah, not as good as Harry Potter, but I think they can make a killer film franchise out of it.
And what's it about?
It's about an alchemist named Nicholas Flamel who discovers the twins of legend, and they go on adventures to fight the Dark Elders to save humanity.
Wow, I had no idea you were into that kind of thing.
Yeah, there's a lot of things you don't know about me. Ever heard of don't judge a book by its cover?
True, but since we've met, I've never seen you reading a book.
Well, I don't need to show it off. Besides, my phone died, so I have nothing else to do.
That explains everything.